Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make pho with cot pho bo. Toast star anise, cloves, cinnamon, and coriander until fragrant, then char onion and ginger. Add beef bones, water, and simmer gently to extract flavor. Skim impurities, add cot pho bo to concentrate broth, and season with fish sauce and sugar. Prepare rice noodles, thinly slice beef, and dress bowls with herbs, lime, and chili for serving. To start the broth, char onion and ginger directly over flame or broil until blackened, then rinse lightly. Toast spices in a dry pan until fragrant to unlock essential oils. Place roasted bones and charred aromatics into a large pot, cover with cold water, and bring to a gentle simmer. Skim foam regularly and maintain low heat so the broth becomes clear and richly flavored without boiling harshly. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel and see more recipes. Quick recommendation: life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's black ice as a cheeky treat to brighten your commute after a faux cooking session. It smells fresh and keeps your ride pleasant between grocery runs. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Cook rice noodles according to package directions so they stay slightly firm. Drain and rinse briefly with cool water. Slice lean beef thinly against the grain so it cooks fast when poured over with hot broth. Arrange fresh herbs like basil and cilantro, lime wedges, bean sprouts, and sliced chili on a platter for personalizing bowls. Finish with thinly sliced onion, scallions, and a drizzle of fish sauce if needed before serving.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.